best engine rebuild components ensure optimal performance, durability, and efficiency, extending engine life and preventing costly repairs. Today's video is about top 5 best engine rebuild components for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Veloxure, the G4FD Engine Rebuild Kit. The G4FD Engine Rebuild Kit is a comprehensive solution for Hyundai Accent and Kia Rio 1.6L models from 2012 to 2017, designed to restore engine performance and reliability. This kit includes a precision-engineered crankshaft for connecting rods, 10 main bearings, 8 rod bearings, and a complete piston kit, ensuring all critical components are replaced for a full engine rebuild. Crafted from high-quality alloy and manufactured to meet OE standards, each part guarantees durability, high precision, and optimal engine performance. Installation requires professional expertise, but once fitted, the engine experiences improved power output, smoother operation, and even a more aggressive exhaust note, enhancing the driving experience. The kit supports exact replacement part numbers, ensuring compatibility with multiple Accent trims, including LE, GL, GLS, SE, and L, as well as Rio EX and SX models. With this kit, vehicle owners can confidently extend engine life, prevent costly repairs, and maintain peak performance. Now our second product is DNJ EK715D Engine Rebuild Kit. This complete engine rebuild kit is designed for 2006 to 2011 Subaru Forester, Impreza, and Legacy 2.5 LH416V SOHC, 2,458 cubic centimeters, models, offering a reliable solution for restoring engine performance. The kit includes a full set of main bearings, rod bearings, pistons, piston rings, and a comprehensive gasket set, providing all essential components for a thorough rebuild. Built to OE quality standards, each part ensures precise fit, durability, and consistent engine performance, giving owners confidence in reliability and longevity. It is important to note that this kit does not include the oil pump, timing belt, or timing kit, and rod bearings are designed for 48mm journals. All components are supplied in standard size. Oversized options are available upon request to match specific engine requirements. By replacing critical engine parts with this proven kit, Subaru owners can restore smooth operation, prevent leaks, improve compression, and extend engine life, making it an ideal choice for professional rebuilds or serious DIY enthusiasts seeking high-quality, dependable results. Our third product is Kaseikin G4KJ 2.4L Engine Rebuild Overhaul Kit. The G4KJ Engine Rebuild Overhaul Kit is a complete solution for Kia and Hyundai 2.4L engines, including Sorento, 2014 to 2020, Optima, 2011 to 2018, Sportage, 2014 to 2019, Hyundai Tucson, 2014 to 2019, Sonata, 2011 to 2016, and Santa Fe Sport, 2017 to 2018. This comprehensive kit includes a precision-engineered crankshaft for connecting rods, for pistons with pins, piston rings, a full engine gasket set, main, rod, and thrust bearings, and 10 head bolts, covering all critical components for a full engine rebuild. Each part undergoes strict inspection and validation to meet rigorous quality standards, ensuring superior durability, reliability, and performance. Crafted for OE-level fit and precision, the kit restores smooth engine operation, improved compression, and optimal power output, making your car feel like new. Professional installation is recommended, and buyers should verify part numbers and fitment before purchasing. With this kit, engine longevity is enhanced, costly repairs are minimized, and drivers gain peace of mind knowing their vehicle's core components are rebuilt to the highest standards. Now number 4, Doxon GM 2.4L Engine Rebuild Overhaul Kit. This complete engine rebuild kit is designed for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, Saturn, and Pontiac 2.4L engines, offering everything needed for a thorough engine overhaul. The kit includes 4 pistons with rings for connecting rods, a full main and rod bearing set, timing chain VVT gears, 10 head bolts, 16 intake and exhaust valves, and a complete head gasket seals set, covering all critical engine components for a reliable rebuild. Manufactured from durable steel and precision machined to OEM standards, each component ensures perfect fit, superior durability, and optimal engine performance. The gasket kit allows direct replacement for easy installation, while the timing chain drive guarantees smooth, reliable power transmission and long-lasting operation. All parts are rigorously tested before shipping to ensure performance and reliability. Compatible with multiple GM 2.4L engines, this kit restores engine compression, reduces wear, and extends engine life. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty, it provides peace of mind and a professional-grade solution for serious DIYers or mechanics seeking a complete, dependable engine rebuild. And our last choice is Pandalin Engine Camshafts Rockers Lifters Kit. The Pandalin Engine Camshafts, Rockers, and Lifters Kit is designed specifically for 3.6L V6 Pentastar engines, covering a wide range of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram models from 2011 to 2016. This comprehensive kit includes left and right intake and exhaust camshafts, rocker arms, valve lifters, intake pipe gaskets, and valve cover gaskets, providing everything needed for a precise camshaft replacement or engine upgrade. Manufactured from high-quality, durable materials to meet OE standards, these camshafts are 100% new, not refurbished, ensuring reliable performance and longer service life. Precision engineering guarantees perfect fitment, maintaining low-end torque while enhancing top-end power. Each component undergoes strict testing for durability, reliability, and optimal engine function. Replacing worn cam lobes with this kit restores proper valve operation, eliminates misfires, and improves overall engine performance. Ideal for professional rebuilds or performance upgrades, the Pandalin kit offers a worry-free installation and lasting reliability, making it a smart investment for restoring or boosting the performance of your 3.6L Pentastar engine. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.